This is Pape, a suburb in the Federal Capital Territory. It is a subject of dispute between the residents and the Federal Capital Development Authority. The Federal Capital Territory Development Authority had in July 2012 planned to demolish the settlement on the ground that it was not in the Federal Capital Territory Master Plan. This prompted the residents to approach the court to stop the demolition. Judgment Day, anxious residents awaited the verdict of the court. While some carried placards, the tired ones answered the call of nature, while these school children waited anxiously for the judgment. Some of the residents who spoke to Channels Television expressed hope that the judgment will be in their favor.
We are there since 20-something years, even some 30 years. We want them to allow us to stay in our place. It's our place. It's Nigeria.
We are expecting them to give us to free us in the puppy.
And just like they expected, respite came their way. Justice Abuja said the failure of the Federal Capital Development Authority to issue statutory notices in compliance with the provisions of the law and due process before embarking on actions aimed at demolishing the properties was unlawful.
The court has given judgments in this particular matter today, being the 2nd day of February 2017, to the effect that there cannot be any demolition within the Federal Capital Territory Abuja, PAPE inclusive, without adherence to due process of the law, as in the statutory notices of the law, the eviction notices, the conservation notices, stop work orders, and other notices must be served on any dweller in a place if it is so believed that that person or those areas are being occupied by people without due allocation and approval. In this particular case, such notices were not effected on our client.
And as words filtered into the community on the verdict of the court, residents took to the streets in excitement. It is not clear whether the Federal Capital Development Authority will appeal the judgment, but for now, these joyful residents can only go back and hope that they can keep their homes. Amaka Okafor, Channels Television News.